How's it going, community? How are we doing? Welcome to a new tutorial. How's it going, boss lady? Welcome. And well, my friends, is Windows 11 not letting you create a local account? Huh?
Did you encounter this screen in Windows 11 Home that forces you to use a Microsoft account?
Don't worry, there's a great trick, right, boss? That we technicians use, and that, well, Microsoft itself doesn't want you to know. Let's get started. Thank you. And well, my friends, there it is. At first glance, we already have here the infamous form that Microsoft asks us for. But this magic command bypasses the block and takes us directly to create a local user account. No, warm internet, no. Account, no. Hassle, no. Preamble.
To set up the device, with a screen reader, activate the narrator by pressing Windows and Control and Enter.
There it is. The voice startled me. We're going to press the Shift key plus F10. Please. And our command prompt will appear. Here we use to enter what is known as a so-called NRP, or the so-called bypass. But Microsoft has somehow modified it so that we always have to log into an account, especially in Windows editions like Home, Home SL, which means Home Single Language, Home Education, or Education as such. Because of the so-called Microsoft account, without the need to remove it through conventional means. If in this case we have versions like Pro, Enterprise, LTSC, Windows 365, better known here in the Google community as, well, Windows Enterprise Multiplication. We can skip the Microsoft account simply by selecting an offline account and joining a domain, which allows us to bypass the account in some way. But in the versions I mentioned to you at the beginning, it does not allow this. So we have to do this. And there is a new command. That new command came out. Or well, at first glance, it has been going viral on the internet since March 31, 2025. Now, considering the date we're at, and if you watch this video after this date, well, this is the new way to bypass our form. The only thing we have to type here is the command start, right? To which, right? I lose my... Sorry if my voice sounds a bit muffled, guys. I'm even using AI to sound as good as possible and as close to my voice because my vocal cords are still delicate. Not doing well, guys. That bug won't leave me alone. But it's been a while since we greeted each other, right? Let's give it some space here. And let's input the so-called MSA. Write it exactly as it is. CX, right? Up to H, colon. Okay? Heads up. Local. Heads up. Local. Only. It's that simple. Got it? All in sequence, okay? Just one space, okay? And respect the syntax. Or in this case, the colons we put there. Once we hit enter, let's see what happens. Wow. It will open directly for us to enter our local account user. And the machine is connected to the internet. I don't need, as before, to do the so-called bypass with what is the previous command we have, which I actually have in a short, I'll leave it here in the video description, and we could directly have that local user for some. But lately, on some modern devices in version 24H2, it no longer allows it. Now, this is the new way. Here I'm going to put yes, or Owicron Tech. See, okay? If you want to set a password, go ahead. I'm going to leave it blank. Very well. I'm going to click next here.
Boom. It jumps straight to the option to create a local account, without internet, without a Microsoft account, and without fuss. You're in. Who needs an online account to get started? Comment, Connor, did it work? Share it with someone who needs it and subscribe for more real tech hacks.
And voila, from GameStar, guys. You've seen it, huh? A truly exquisite and magnificent thing. Huh? What did you think? Huh? How about it, Soul?
Of course. Do you know why I'd love it? Well, Owicron community, this is the end of the video. If you liked the trick, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video. Bye.
Well, there you have it, guys. You've seen it, it's version 24H2, with its latest build and the update integrated. Remember that I am committed to you, just like all my OID testers and the OIDmins. Also, my moderation staff is involved. Because on the second Tuesday of each month, we are delivering, yes, the ISOs of Windows 11 and Windows 10. And we are handling 2 versions of Windows 11, guys. All right, I just opened the browser. I'm going directly to YouTube, our lovely and blessed youtube.com/ to immediately link us to the channel. And we are going to go directly to what is like in publications. Within publications, I'm giving small surveys there. And watch out, I want you to be very close directly. 3 versions. Here, this is the first one. Here, where it says show more, I am leaving the direct link of Windows 11 23H2, already with the latest live integrated from what is the second Tuesday of each month. In this case, it was the past one. Let's check the calendar. The second Tuesday from here, from the date was April 8th. So we will be updating the ISO until the second Tuesday. This is the first one, the second would be May 13th, and so we go. Every second Tuesday of each month, we integrate into our ISOs Windows 11 23H2, Windows 10 22H2, and Windows 11 24H2, which should be around here in the post. In fact, you will also find it here. Look, here it is. In fact, I keep updating the builds. There are the direct links, as well as, look, here is the 24H2. It's also here. There are the drives, and here it is. To save your links directly, click here on share and copy this URL and stay very attentive every second Tuesday of each month so you can download the most updated versions of Windows with the latest possible update. Okay? It's a commitment I have along with you as a community because it's better. Hey, but Victor, why don't we download it directly from my creative tools from Microsoft? Because Microsoft only gives you the version that is at the public level, lacking updates. All right? Here, we are already integrating a combo, and also I am providing you with the integration of NVMe and SSD controls directly in the ISO. It's the only thing we have directly with you, all right? Regarding the ISOs. So, stay very attentive to everything we post in publications. And with this, well, I'm giving you the opportunity so that you don't feel obligated, as some say, right? Like, hey, Victor, you really want us in your WhatsApp group or in the Discord group? No, guys, the Discord group is a bonus just like WhatsApp today. If you want to join, go ahead, click here where it says Lean 3, Owicron 88. And here it will redirect you to all our social networks directly to our Discord group as well as the WhatsApp group if you want to join. Okay? It's free. Take advantage of it. How's it going, little boss? How are you, boss? How are you, cappuccino? Did you like this trick? Well, that's it, and you're ready. You're inside Windows 11 without a Microsoft account and without much hassle. Give it a like and it worked. Comment, subscribe for more technical secrets that work and change your life. And we'll share this video, it could save more than one person's life. Let's go, boss. For a good bone. They're just like a fish. They die extremely, very, very slowly.